Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Betterlenght. Betterlenght is a hair company and they specialize in making textured clip-ins. Okay, so they sent me a bundle of clip-ins to try, so that's what I'm gonna be discussing with you guys today. Okay, so they have a texture for everybody, whether you are relaxed or natural. Betterlenght will have a hair texture for you to match your hair. And what I will be trying on today is the light yaki. I got this, they sent me the hair in 18-inch, and also this hair is specialized for relaxed hair and also fine hair, which what I have here. Okay, so my hair is it is roller set. So this is my hair. I roller set it, so I'm gonna be trying on these clip-ins today to see if they do if they make a perfect match. Okay, also they were nice enough to give me a $5 discount code that I have here for you in the description box. So just check them out, browse to see if you like anything, and if you do, you save $5. Okay, let's get started. All right, so this is the hair. Wow, it's definitely textured. Like, it has more texture than my hair, so that's good. It's full, and I don't know, this looks like black to me. It doesn't give me 1B, but it definitely feels nice because my hair is brown. That, I don't know if you can see the difference. I have brown hair, so I don't know. Do you see? This is my hair. All right, so we're gonna try it and see how well it blends. All right guys, so I came in the bathroom so I can see what I am doing. So this is the clip-in bundle. I have it here, and 7 clips comes in this bundle. Okay, so I have 7 clip-ins to work with. I'm gonna brush my hair. All right, so now I'm just gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna part my hair. It doesn't have to be straight, okay? That's why I'm using my fingers. Then I'm gonna take a clip to secure the part that I'm not working with, okay? And we're gonna start from the back section. So I'm gonna use this piece right here. And you see the clips? These are the 2 clips right here. Okay, so far I have 4 clip-ins in my hair, so I'm gonna play around with it and see how I like it. If I need to add any more, and now I'll add more. But I really like it. It gives me body. I already have extremely fine hair, so I mean, yeah, I like it. It's not too, I didn't use all of it, but I'm still gonna put 2 more here so I can make it even more full. But I do definitely like it. The texture feels great. Yeah, the color is not all the way there, but I definitely like how it's looking. All right, so this is the finished look, guys. I have 6 clip-ins on. The clip-in bundle came with 7 pieces, and I have 6 in. Okay, so again, I'm just brushing out the hair, and I'm holding onto my scalp so I can brush it. I don't want to cause any breakage. I definitely like how it looks. I think it looks really natural. The texture blends in well with my hair. This light yaki texture goes well with my fine relaxed hair, so I like that a lot. I think it looks great. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. They also did provide me with a coupon code for you guys. If you are interested, check the description box and you can check out the coupon code. You get $5 off if you were to make a purchase. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.